Alright, March 11th, 2026. Seeing Hayes here. It's 21:05. Coming to you from Ladysmith, Wisconsin again, with one more video lined up for you for tonight. Northbound Woodtick of the L563, 81 of the 11th, has made its arrival, as it was following behind the B731 led by the CN2963. Doing the honors tonight is 5421. See who's along with, and we'll let her do the work at Ladysmith Yard, as that's on its next assignment. Kick him out on the roll by, and we'll lean back and get him. Here we go. CN 5421. Another unit in tow. C67 rebuild of the 3329. So they're going to be setting out the 3329 this evening. So they're going to put it on a sand load just like I've seen before. Burn some Maine, no doubt about it. How about that? So a locomotive set out for tonight's 563. The rest of the constants that they have left back over, where they drop the string off on the main, will be taken up to their next stop of Stone Lake, followed by Parkland, and then end the assignment at OKWY Yard in Superior. Momentarily, they're going to have the approach restricting indication for headroom for the roll back to their train before they continue on north. Otherwise, that is going to do it for tonight's northbound Woodtick of the L563, 81 of the 11th. For the SD60 duo of the 5421 and 5463, and the C6M rebuild of 3329. And we'll do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin for tonight. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great night. See you next time, and I hope I will see you along the main line. Seeing Hayes out.